Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour Meeting 27. Thank you, Sam and authors, for joining us. As we can see, we are joined by multiple authors. So we would like to take the pull request for them specifically to begin with, so we can answer their questions, and then we will take the rest of the pull request added to the agenda. So we may start with ERC PR number 77. It is by Team Combo, I guess, one combo.
Yeah, combo. Yeah.
All right, let me just share my screen here, and then we can go into that. Okay. There. So, did you have any specific questions?
Yeah, we don't have other specific questions.
All right, I can take a look at it then.
Yeah.
All right, Open IP protocol analysis to remix NFTs and generate new NFT derivative works while their relationships can be traced on chain. Okay. So.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Got that. Good. All that looks good. All right. This protocol aims to standardize how to remix existing IPs and create a new IP. So when you say IP here, you probably mean intellectual property?
Yes, yes.
So okay, it extends the ERC 721 standard, enabling users to remix multiple existing NFTs and create a new NFT derivative work while their relationships can be traced on the blockchain. All right, so note about the abstract. It should. Motivation. So the internet is flooded with fresh content every day, but with traditional IP infrastructure, IP registration, and licensing is a headache for digital creators. Okay, the rapid creation of content has eclipsed the slower pace of IP registration, leaving much of this content unprotected. This means digital creators can't fairly earn from their works spread. Okay. Traditional IP infrastructure, open IP infrastructure, so IP registration. Okay. This backdrop, we're passionate about building an open IP. Okay. Sure. This protocol suggests how to remix multiple existing NFTs and create a new NFT derivative work known as a combo. While their relationships can be traced on the blockchain, it contains 3 core modules: remix module, network module, and license module. All right. So the remix module extends the ERC 721 standard. Yeah, 721 or ERC 1155. Okay. License module. Okay. The one premise, 2 extensions, 1 constant principal. One premise means that for any IP in the open source ecosystem, and it And NFT stands for that IP. So if you have the NFT, you own the IP. That's why the Open IP protocol. Okay. 2 extensions. Again. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. Backwards compatibility. DHC 720. Yep. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So I think this is good. Feel free to give me a ping once you make the changes, and yeah, should be able to merge that.
Cool. Thank you, Sam.
No problem.
All right. Yeah, please go ahead, Sam.
Oh, where are we off to next?
So next we are joined by 2 authors for proposal in last call. Let's start with ERC PR 29. And it is Francesco is here.
No,
Hey, did you have any specific questions about this?
not really. We are using in production in many projects, and now is going for a while. There have been a lot of discussion about little details to improve, but the community agree on where we are now. That is simple and covers the case that we are trying to solve. Basically, is to avoid using wasting gas when a soulbound token or a badge is created, because the alternative right now is to emit a locked event or an unlocked event anytime. But if if it's a badge, I know that all the tokens are locked forever. So that is why there is this default locked event that solves the problem of the
that
gas
makes sense.
consumption. Yeah.
Perfect.
And,
so you've checked your ERC-165 interface ID?
yes.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah, I don't think this has changed much since the last time I looked at it, right?
Oh yeah. It's we didn't. We just made some little change in the document to fix some typos, some improve a little bit the English. There was some mistake, and that is it. So
No, that's perfect. Yeah. Will this merge itself, or am I going to have to merge this? I'll leave that one open. Where are we off to next?
Okay.
And the
Thank you.
next one is 47.
47. All right.
We are joined by Piyush to talk about the proposal if there is any question.
Hello, Sam.
Hey.
So yeah, there's no specific question, just all the comments that you had, I think I've resolved those and just wanted to get your update on this for moving to
Perfect.
finance. Yeah.
Okay. ERC.
May I ask a question?
Yeah, of course.
It's I saw that in the guide we should keep the linked document like EIP 721 here, line 58.
Yep.
But here has been changed to ERC 721. So which is the update strategy? Should we move to ERC or we keep EIP?
EIP would be the correct one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, as far as I'm aware, Matt and PandaPip have done a lot more work on the split than I have, so I'm actually not sure what's correct. But I think if the guide says use EIP, then you should use EIP.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I was on an assumption that the previous ones would get renamed, so I just put ERC for the new one. But if it's needed, I can rename it to EIP.
I wouldn't worry like too much about it. We'll fix them like if we have to. So yeah.
Okay.
I guess the better question here would be, Sam, will the EIP bot will allow both EIP and ERC at this point of time? So
it only allows ERC right now, and I think that's incorrect. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so that one merged. Perfect.
All right. So the next one we have is for review status, and the pull request number is 19.
19. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's take a look. This proposal introduces fixed income financial bonds. And this was going to review.
So this changes was proposed by light clients, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and there are some changes that is proposed by you, I think, like moving back the comments into the standard, and also removing the optional in the interface. In fact, functions, putting maybe saying that the whole interface is optional, but not particular functions. It was done.
Yep. Yeah, I saw that. Perfect.
And the transfer all this function is removed because for security purposes.
Okay.
So prevent users to manage all the balance. If they want to do it, then they need to input the whole amount in the
Okay.
transfer. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Yeah, I think this looks good. I think you made all the changes I asked for, and yeah, so perfect. So I'll just approve this. I just noticed a typo. Feel free to fix it whenever you want. Yeah, awesome. That's easy.
All right. So the next one is again a review proposal, but the author isn't present and he has left his comments for you, Sam, to follow and the questions that he has.
This one here?
Yes.
Yeah. So, right? Yeah, okay. All right. So that was 19.
Right. Now I think we can take it sequentially. So we have one proposal in panel. We can start from there
Sure.
and go.
Okay. Good. And then let's go make sure that there's no further discussion on this. Okay. Yeah, otherwise this looks good. Okay, so I'll keep that one open.
So Sam,
Yeah.
in the meantime, we are joined by another author, and the pull request number is 52.
52. All right. Okay. All right. ERC 4626 token as well. Standard tokens more composable. Atomic deposits. This limitation does not work well for any smart contract system with asynchronous acronyms such as lanes.
So we are joined by Joey for this proposal in case there is any question.
Hey, Joey.
Hey, Sam.
Okay. Um, Mushrooms not one of both. Deposit if the flow's not implemented. Okay. Asynchronous deposit vaults must override the ERC 4626 specification as follows. The deposit and mint methods do not transfer asset to the vault because it's already happened on Quest deposit. Asynchronous redeeming vaults must override the 4626. Okay. Submission requests go through pending, claimable, and claim stages. Example life cycle for deposit requests is visualized in the table below. The cumulative request quantity must be more than okay.
I apologize for the YAML.
Oh, it's fine. um, okay. Yeah, this looks perfect. Definitely ready to go to review. So there we go. Yeah, so just fix that at your leisure. Yeah, otherwise looks great.
Sam, I
Thanks,
have a
Sam.
question.
Yeah.
So for the proposal, the pull request for which the comment was left, it is for a PR 43. Do we want to maybe take a look if that PR is ready to be merged?
Oh, sure. Yeah. Okay, so this is going from draft to review. Asset-bound non-fungible tokens. Asset-bound NFTs anchor a token one-to-one to an asset, and operations are authorized through Oracle attestation over control over the asset. All right. This standard allows integrating physical and digital assets without signing capabilities into dApps Web 3 by extending ERC 721. An asset, a physical object, is marked with a uniquely identifiable anchor. The anchor is... Oh, I remember this one. Okay. Let's look up the through an attestation. The Oracle testifies to that a particular asset is associated with an anchor. It's been controlled. Okay. Okay. The well-known ERC 721. Okay. Initially, we propose to elevate the concept of representing change in ownership of the anchor after the current owners and club. Okay. $57.91. Okay, the contract must implement the proposed standard. Okay, and is subject to caveats below. Okay. Mechanism. Okay. Okay, wait, what is this block of code? Minimal TypeScript sample to generate an attestation using Ethos library. So okay. Good. Okay, so that's an interface, that's fine. Okay, good. Those are good. rationales. Excellent. Sample use cases. Possession-based use cases are covered by the standard interface. The holder. Okay. Okay. So has with the lease lending. Okay. And I think everything else looks good. Yeah, okay. Cool.
Thank you.
Oh,
So we can go back to the last call. I think the PR number is 96.
96. All right. Moving into last call. The NFT. So let's see if there's been any discussion on here. No discussion. Perfect. Okay, the standard extends ERC 721 by bringing individuals above 2 and 1 3 identities to non-fungible tokens and soulbound tokens by binding multiple identities, aggregating component verify results. Okay. Okay. One of the most interesting aspects of Web3 is the ability to bring an individual's own identity to different applications. Even more powerful is the fact that individuals truly own their accounts without relying on centralized gatekeepers, disclosing to different apps, components necessary for authentication approved by individuals. Decentralized data centralization. Okay. So you have a interface. Neat. Metadata schema. Perfect. Consider following. Okay. Citation. Multi-identity schema to the file. Okay. Some test cases, reference implementation. Yeah, I mean, that seems good. So the only thing to change is the last call deadline.
Date. Yeah.
Yeah. So that'll be 11/28. Cool. On to 44.
Quick question, Sam.
Yep.
The on 7540, there's like the HTML proofer is failing, so I can't merge the
It shouldn't be a required check, because I mean, it might be. HTML proofer isn't required, so you should be able to merge it.
okay, for some reason I'm not able to. Maybe is
Okay.
it the auto review trigger bot. That's the only other
Yeah,
one
well,
that's failing.
which pull request number was it?
52.
52. All right.
Oh yeah, that's the required one that's failing. That first one.
Hey, look at that. It's super useful.
I know,
Wow.
right?
So we will do this, and then we will do this, and we will watch it.
Can I ask another question while we wait?
Yeah, of course.
I have another proposal that I'm doing, and we are still discussing the proposal, so it's not urgent. But all the errors that I have are related with other proposals, not with the. I can link here the link to the report if you want to take a look. I
Sure.
put in the chat. You can see that all the errors are related with yes, in the HTML profiler. You can see it are related
Yeah.
with other documents, not the documents that I'm
Yep. Yeah,
pushing. So
it checks the whole repo, so you just have to ignore it. It won't
okay,
stop you from merging.
okay, so it's fine. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay, thank you.
Oh, no problem. Yeah. So, what is going on with this one? A little bit better this time, I think. And then let's see here. Nope, it failed again. Okay, I will bring this up with Matt and Panda, and I'll see what's going on. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks for looking at that. So I guess we're just like in a holding pattern for now.
For that one, yeah, I'll get back to you.
Cool. Yeah, no worries. Thanks.
Okay, so let's give this one a read. 20. Okay. Actually, what were my other comments on this one? Was it just the date? Yeah, it was just the date. But I think otherwise this was pretty good. Motion. Okay. Yeah, this is fine, and then we just have to adjust the last call deadline. So we will do that after. Are you gonna merge? Come on.
These bots are taking their time.
Oh yeah, yeah, they really are. There we go. So this is 3643. So we'll go over here. 643. Yeah, okay. No. Fix that problem. All right. No, wait, I need that one still. Okay. So on to 34.
Mhm.
Multiple metadata you have the option. Okay, this one. This EIP proposed an extension to the EIP 721 standard to support multiple metadata URIs per token and introduces a new interface. Backwards compatible. Okay. $49.06. Okay. C5B. C5B, okay. Yeah, this seems good. We have a reference implementation. Nice. So the only thing that need, 13 days I think is close enough. We're gonna go for that. All right.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So then we have 6596. Okay. Cultural and historical asset token. Metadata to enhance the discoverability, connectivity, and collectability of culturally and historically significant NFTs. Okay. Good. That looks good. This EIP proposed the establishment of a comprehensive metadata standard for cultural and historical asset tokens on the Ethereum platform. These tokens represent cultural and historical assets such as artwork, artifacts, collectibles, and rare items, providing crucial context and provenance. Okay. Shapes they do not. Cultural and historical importance and value of such assets needed for widespread adoption. Okay. Tamper-proof records in the blockchain. Okay, good. So there's a footnote. Where's your footnote defined? Search discovery. What I leave there disappoints. Okay. Assessment current record keeping whether the existing system mostly operate on trust. Blockchain technology offers that. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Ownership and history of artifacts. Artworks are distributed. Comprehensive context and substance found. Okay. Follow metadata interface. Okay. Okay. No, I mean, that's probably fine. You'll just have to add new ones and new EIPs, so it's okay. Both the ERC 712 and EC 1155 provide natural extension points. Good. Okay. Okay. Attributes property. Good. Backwards compatibility. Okay, yeah, that seems fine. All right. Cool. And with that, that is all the time I have for today. So I will see you guys in 2 weeks.
Thank you, Sam.
Yeah.
In the meantime, if you get a chance, please maybe take a look at miscellaneous PR. If there is anything that needs to be moved to the EIP meeting, you may leave a comment and I will add that.
Will do.
Otherwise, yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you very much.